Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Motorola. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. If you never opened it before, you need to choose this icon at the bottom right corner of it and then choose Got It. Now click on the month above. Over here you need to pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with this one. Now create your event by tapping over here or choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on Event. Either way, now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now you can select your email, pick starting hour, and even ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting this switcher next to all day. Now choose Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just set up Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, videos, and even location. To add your location, you need to choose while using the app or only this time in this pop-up, and then type in an address of your event. Then you need to click on the correct result. And finally, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 days before. When you're ready, choose Done. Now change color of it, take some notes, add attachments, and save it by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is here. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now you can change wherever you wish to. I will go with the title. And discard your changes by choosing this X at the top left corner, or save them by choosing Save at the top right one. In order to delete your event completely though, you need to click on it again, choose those 3 dots at the top right corner instead, tap on Delete at the top, and finally confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!